We already set the tool length, and we already have the program in the controller. We already set the workpiece coordinate in X, Y, and Z axis, and we are going to start the program from the beginning. For security, we are going to start using the manual pulse generation, which is the auto mode controlled manually by the MPG. Start. We depress auto, MPG simulator, and cycle start, and then start moving. Start moving the MPG. Look at the machine. Look at the machine. Okay. Once we know that the machine is coming to the right place, okay, you can leave the MPG, depress MPG, and the machine runs by itself in auto mode until the program is finished. Now it's going to change the tool because this program is using two tools. It's going for tool number 2. And it's coming again for the new process. Finish. I hope this video is good for you. Okay, let's talk about some tips about the omni-cnc equipment. I have to tell that before trying to operate a machine like this, you have to read the manuals. After you read the manuals, read them again. You are not losing your time when you read the manuals. Also, try to watch many videos about the machine. It's a very good time to watch the video while you are waiting for the delivery of the machine. So when you get the machine, you have seen some videos and you are prepared to operate the machine in a very well manner. So these are good things that you have to do before receiving a CNC equipment. After receiving the machine, think that these machines work in sequence. If you do not follow the sequence in programming or operating the machine is not going to work. At least it's not going to work properly. So think twice before operating the machine. It has no brain. You have to use yours. And the tips also, we have to say that many of the accidents come from the tools. So before trying to operate a machine like this, you have to secure your tools properly. They have to be well tied, well set. Also, simulate the programs before running them. There are so many ways to do it. You can simulate the program in the controller first, or you can simulate the program, running the program without the workpiece on the table, and also you can simulate the program using the MPG or the manual push generator. in the auto mode, which permit that you, while you are rotating the device, the machine is running, but once you suspect that something is wrong, you can stop moving the machine immediately without damage